You're watching HaitianJonas.com. HaitianJonas.com want to take you to Haiti, what's going on, and check it out, Haiti situation. The young student, there was a young student who was shot by a police officer. The police officer went to his school and shot him in his head. This is uncertain. With a police, they said he was either with uniform or he had no uniform. He was on duty at that time. You're about to see some video what's going on, how the students, they rallied together, and then you will see police throwing rocks at them, throwing gas, and shooting at them. You will know what's going on right now, just to make sure everybody understands what's going on in Haiti. Haiti is not in a stable condition. Haiti is terrible. One thing I'm going to tell everybody, not to scare you, please, if you don't have anything to do, anything special, please do not go to Haiti, because Haiti is not in the proper, condition. Why? A bunch of kidnappers got caught, and they were calling kidnappers out, and the richest guy, which is like, when we come to mulatto, it would say, not exactly half white, half black, but just some people from foreign, like Middle East, that came to Haiti, and then they've been doing this. And not only that, people from England was doing the kidnapping. You heard about Brunt family. So the people, they're not very happy about it. Brunt great-grandparents, we used to do that in Jamaica. He was deported. They sent him out. He went to Haiti, and he's doing the same thing. This is what's going on, HaitianJonas.com, and let's check it out what's going on in Port-au-Prince, Haiti right now. Please do not go to Haiti if you don't have anything to do, or else you'll either get killed or kidnapped. You're looking at a demonstration in Haiti right now. What's going on in Haiti right now? Just kids, they rally together just because the victim who was killed, they need justice. And the people, the young people, they are very upset. And these young people are young students with uniform, high school, public school, or college, university. They all come together just to rally and say they are not going to accept what's going on. And now you see police wanting to break the whole thing. You see police versus the civil people on the street. Now you can see how police is throwing gas, also rocks at them, stoning the people. They running around, make sure they evacuate the crowd. And these kids, they were like, they can't stop. And then you see police are backing up together. And see, it's very crucial. It's next to the palace, next to the White House in Haiti. It's really, in the force that you see right now, there are CMO. CMO is a special force just to stop the crowd. And you can see everything going on right now. As you can see, it is terrible. It is going crazy. Let's check this out. And you're gonna see how these guys are saying, look at them picking up rocks. Let's check it out. Now things getting a little spicy. You are watching Haitian Jonas right now. Haitian Jonas. Now police are throwing rocks. And since they throwing rocks, the people are going to throw rocks back. And now the police are getting back. They're going to back up down. They're coming down. Here we go. The people rallied together just to destroy them now. So it is very crucial in Haiti. When you're looking at 13 million people and it's thousands of police, I would say like almost like 10,000 police over a population of 13 million. It's unbelievable. We're looking at the White House. This is the palace. This is the front of the palace right now. You're watching right now. Rocks is throwing. Everything is throwing right now. And the university is next to the palace, and you can see rocks all over the street. So this is not gonna end. Haiti is not going anywhere. I'm telling you, if you don't have anything to do, please do not go to Haiti. I'm gonna leave you guys with this video. Watch this video and see what you can learn. Now these guys come to rescue the police from the White House. So it is getting very difficult right now for the police, and the police now allowed to go to the White House just in case if their life is in danger.
Hey, come on, come on, come on. Si a gyo bagen do hati.
Like I said, do not go to Haiti if you don't have anything to do there, if you don't have anything important, because Haiti is one of the dangerous places right now. Look who's saying, Haitian Jonas was saying, Haitian Jonas, welcome to Haiti. So much stuff going on, so much negative about Haiti right now. It is crucial, it is terrible. It's just like division. If you can take a look at Toussaint Louverture, Haitian history, you can learn everything, what's going in the past with Haiti. Haiti, is it a place that gonna change one day? We don't know. Is it a place that's gonna be better? We don't know. People will still suffer, people will still in need, and people will still be in trouble. While we talking, Cap Haitian is have a big erosion, have a big flood. What I'm saying, like the city of Cap Haitian in the north is underwater. So this is what Haitian Jonas you're watching right now. Haiti, which is the most beautiful country you can ever step in. Now the people are turning one of the ugliest, dirtiest country right now. And you watching HaitianJonas.com, and I support what I say. Thank you.